All right, we're inside Fern CRM and we're looking at the web page editor tool. We can flip easily between mobile view and desktop view. And I want to show you how quickly and easy it is to modify the mobile view without having to do any coding or CSS or anything like that. So if we just pop over here to mobile view, let's say maybe we just don't want to show this image at all because of the way it gets cropped. So we would just go over here to advanced and just turn off mobile. That simple. It still shows up on the desktop version and now it's not on the mobile. So now that we've got that taken care of, let's scroll down here. As you can see, this area has way too much white space at the top. And if we go over to the desktop version, it looks fine here. I mean, we've got that extra space here to offset with the photo. We've got the extra space here. It all looks good here. But on mobile, way too much. So what we can do is we can remove all this just by clicking right here. Super easy, no CSS needed. Okay, so we've zeroed out the top of that. Let's zero out the top of this. And then we can also use the slider if that's easier. And then we go down to the column. We've still got 60 here. We don't need that. All right. So that's looking a little better. I mean, it doesn't need to be perfect for this. All my design nerds out there, don't worry if it's not perfect, it's just an example, right? So if we look back at the home page, we still have the 50 on the green. We still have 50 on the blue row. And we still have 50 on this one, right? They're independently modifiable when you're building the home page. Super easy to set things up the way they look good. Pop over here to the mobile version, make sure it looks good. If not, like for example right here, we don't need all this white space. Let's go ahead and take that out because on the mobile version, that disconnect looks silly. But if we pop back over here to the desktop version, we still maintain that white space between the two, which makes sense on the desktop version. And then on the mobile version, still gone. See? So that's how easy it is to use the web page editor inside Fern CRM. Make everything look good for mobile, make it mobile responsive without needing any code or CSS. Thanks so much for watching.